Upwork tips for beginners. If you want to get started freelancing, I really think Upwork is the easiest place to start. What is Upwork? Upwork is a marketplace that connects businesses with freelancers around the world for small or long-term jobs. Upwork tips for beginners. How Upwork works. 1. Clients post a job. 2. Freelancers bid and get hired. 3. Chat and collaborate about the task. 4. Freelancers get paid. Here is a more detailed information on how it works. Applying and getting accepted to Upwork. My first Upwork suggestions for new freelancers is to choose a skill that people are actively hiring for. Something unique that they are interested in. 2. Work on your strengths, not your weaknesses. Always do whatever makes you happy. Identify your strengths, name them, and concentrate on them. 3. Fill out the application incredibly thoroughly. Don't give them any reason to reject you by skimping on this part of the process. And number 4. If still gets rejected, get an agency to invite you to their team or learn additional skills that you can make you unique. Upwork jobs are divided into 3 different types. These are as follows. For hourly jobs, clients often specify a range of how many hours per week they're looking for, as well as a price range. Then for the fixed rate, these are the ones that have clear outlined, one-time package with a certain amount. And last but not the least, milestone. This is a combination of the two, but still under a flat rate. Setting up your Upwork profile. 1. Pick a good profile picture. 2. Highlight your expertise. 3. Create an introduction video about yourself. 4. Feature your best work, or provide a portfolio. Five. List your certification. 6. Add your employment history. And 7. Include your education and other experiences. You can also send us a private message on our Facebook page. Just visit www.facebook.com/workfromhometutorialph. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.